We coming through with the bangers, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, that is some high quality fucking peach tea right there, bro.
What?
You might want to get a cup, bro. Like that shit.
Waterfall.
You need to taste that, bro.
Peach tea, Arizona.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Bro.
Bro.
I'm gonna get that next time, bro. I'm gonna get this next time.
Y'all be getting that shit, bro.
Sponsor.
No
Hey,
sponsor. Hey,
hey, hot and spicy, bro.
Sponsor
us, bro.
sponsor us, bro.
What do you mean?
I went to the shrimp gym. Hey,
Those shrimp jumps,
bro. All right,
Hey,
can
send
I
us
trade
next
with you,
week, bro. Send us some.
Can I trade with you? Cause I bought you a whole bunch of
Bro,
shrimp
they're the
gems.
same kind.
No. Upstairs. There's some in the cabinet, bro. You ain't looking in the cabinet yet. Yes,
I
sir.
didn't look.
But this one's not good or something?
Good God.
What?
Go ahead.
All right, relax. Let me go crazy.
I told you, bro. That goes gas, man. That goes gas.
And it's done. It's
I'm
done.
gonna look in there too.
Oh, we got 3.
I want to go play ball, but I've been twisting my ankles too much at that damn court.
Good God.
I can't go back out there. Like, I can't drive in the lane anymore at all. I just can't.
Yes, sir. I'm out of there. So I'm definitely not gonna wear this. Oh, it's still you. It's still you. Alright. Final battle. Oh. They working me, bro. I get Roddy Rich on this. Go ahead. I'm saying. I ain't gonna choose this.
Can you download it?
Download it still, though.
Yes,
sir. I'm gonna fuck this shit up later, bro.
Yes, sir.
You can't use mine.
That joke goes crazy,
I might have
bro.
to use that one. All right.
But play the whole thing though. Play the whole thing. Damn, bro.
Hit the snack, man.
I'm actually sick now.
Go ahead, fuck it up, Jason. Download it though, right?
It's a wrap, man.
Who?
Hold on. Wait. Press space.
Hey.
I know. Wait. Go to pattern. Split. Found new from Tiplet. Go to beach. Yes, sir.
Jason.
Once you find the patch you want to start with, your first song, you get it. Then we can start. I'm mad as shit.
Is he using the loop? Type shit.
I would run this dude.
Yo, I know Jason's gonna fuck it up though. In a good way. In a good way.
I'm gonna try, bro.
In a good way.
You know what I'm saying? That's just
Nah, he's already testing the sounds, bro.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You can't be wasting your time. You gotta do it fast. You know what I'm saying? You only got 10 minutes.
Oh, we're the starter?
Yeah.
Damn, alright.
Well, you got to make the time.
Alright. I'll give you like a minute extra.
No. Oh, yeah. Like
I'm already started.
copy and paste those notes though. Remember, you got 8 bars. You gotta copy and paste those notes.
What you mean?
On the piano roll. Pause the timer.
Pause the timer.
Pause the
This
timer.
nigga working me, bro. Look at this nigga working me.
Wait, I'm pausing it, bro. My bad.
Alright,
My
bro. This
bad,
nigga
my
working
bad.
me, bro. What the fuck?
Hey, we're coaching you, Jason.
Come on, just there's so much I could do. I don't have enough time, bro.
Running up in the
Gave him an extra couple minutes.
Again. Again.
Jason the finesse guy.
Over the 808s now. Alright. Yeah, that's bad. I'm just gonna use this loop too, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this like after. Yeah.
Or all use
I'm
the
gonna try
same
to use it.
beat.
No.
Same loop, bro. We're just gonna use the same loop.
Oh, that could be a different.
Yeah,
challenge.
we can do that. We can do that, bro.
Niggas gonna fucking chill.
We're just gonna use the same loop, bro.
No, it won't be this time, but we can do it a different time.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
already
yeah.
we already said what we was gonna do this.
Alright.
This is a 10-minute challenge right now.
I'm stuck.
You good, bro? No pressure, bro. No pressure. Take your time. We can always go back.
Or you can do somewhere on that first little red section. You can do it.
2 minutes, bro.
2 minutes left.
2 minutes left, bro.
You just gotta start watching this with the 808s, right?
Bro, y'all be doing a whole bunch of fucking bullshit. Y'all be in this joint talking about some fucking doom. Like, what the fuck y'all? Hold on. This y'all be doing. Y'all need to be talking about some fucking. Hold on. How you do it? He be in that joint. Alright, Xander be like. That joint low key kinda tough. What, this one?
Up one.
There's a loop.
Oh, let me see.
This is sounding good though.
This sounds tough.
Play that shit again.
You get lucky smack that, though. I can hold you, bro. You can smack that joint. Oh shit. Wait. We'll see how it is.
This one's sorta ass, bro.
I would take out that last top note before you get to that bottom note. Go up.
A sample. Let me check this
Yeah, so
Nigga doing squats and shit, fool.
gotta get them angles.
Nigga, that's how they be saying this shit. Gotta get the angles, bruh.
The what? Alright, I'm gonna go R&B. R&B, you guys. I'm gonna go R&B, you guys.
Okay.
I'm gonna go R&B.
Done found one. Fuck, I got like this.
This nigga about to fuck that shit up,
I gave him an extra like 15 seconds.
bro. He's already about to fuck it up, bro.
I'm dead, bro.
Oh,
Like, look
man.
at this shit, bro. He found a drum loop, bro. That's a drum loop. You gotta look through the loops,
This
bro.
nigga's a finesser, bro. We just finesse that shit.
No.
You ain't even make your own. Nah, fuck that.
Man, let him get his joke, man. That's hard.
Know what I'm saying? See, I made that loop my own loop though.
Cheat codes right there, you know what I'm saying? Can't put them on games like that. Yes, I can.
I think they're hip.
They gotta be. If you ain't hip to RC20 by now, come on, bro. You know the vibes. Hey. Oh shit! That was another drum.
Triplets, bro. I ain't gonna lie. 6 minutes 30. Oh, I didn't pause it. Alright, I need some time. I think I doesn't need it. He has all this pre-made shit. He need it. Alright, if we feel like
Alright.
Extra couple seconds. You know what I'm saying?
Respect.
Yo, there's a cold and a nighttime. I was finna go crazy on that bitch, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. Crazy? Yeah. Damn, it's hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. I had to write something for this. Hold on. Hey, hold on. I'm saying, hold on. You trying to call me my flow to that shit? I was like, that's
Drake.
I know you just heard me late on flow now. This nigga gonna come in on my flow. Like, what the fuck? Alright, go ahead. I'll take it out. Go ahead, bro. Bro, I only had 2 lines. I ain't only got a line. This is, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, we can.
Like today, nigga.
Oh shit.
Like right now, nigga.
Hold on, I gotta make my beat too. And then, alright.
Yeah. I got my shit though. I have an idea in my head. Whatever, bro. I look you might Yo, that's what I was
What? What you say? You're so fun, you make me insane. No name, but we gonna make something. That shit. I think I'm good, bruh. I think this already got a vibe. You already got freestyles over here, bro.
We're coming back to this after the video, bro. We're coming back to this, bro.
You guys are writing in this shit.
I didn't start writing, but I have a vibe. vibe I want to get. Like I know how I
Yeah,
want
we're
it to
done.
sound and everything. Like once you get to the voice that you want and how you want it to sound, it's so easy. Like oh my god.
Fuck love and fuck these and fuck hoes. Just cool. Yeah, go ahead.
They're writing.
You're right.
I'm gonna have to.
We're making your beat first.
Oh, yeah.
I'm already done. My time already came up.
Alright, let's get right.
But we're gonna come back though. We're gonna come back.
We'll come back.
We're gonna come back.
It'll be in the video, bro. We're gonna put it at the end. How I stop it? How I stop? Oh.
I already got it.
Hey. Hey.
Said everything gonna work out. Us that really.
I gotta make sure this is the right one.
You're good, bro.
Why do I do that? I'm just.
You're fucking up.
Coach Carter, analyzing.
Right. This is so hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey.
Once you got the kick, bro, that's when
The bounce.
yeah, I'm about to say, that's how you know how you want it to come on. You know,
That sets the beat, bro.
yeah, like how you like what you got coming on, what you got to hit, bro. Wait, hold on.
Play that kick real quick, bro.
Ooh, hold on.
But yeah, bro, that shit's smooth as shit right now.
Ah, shit. Wait, let me try this real fast.
Go ahead, bro. You can still
Finish up, bro.
finish up, bro. Finish up.
Man, you doing a lot of shit in your time.
I'm done. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm done.
Save it. Oh.
Alright, so what's the plan now? Review?
Have a good day, man.
Alright, go ahead.
So we back in business. It's time to go over it, break it down, chop it up. So we started off with the melody. Okay. And it has a whole second part too. gonna start bringing in some sounds. I had to work fast with the hi-hats, I can't even lie. So I just kind of clicked in some triplets, added some notes. Oh, my fault. So I kind of had to go work fast with the hi-hats. I had to click it in real fast. But, you know what I'm saying? The finished product was actually decent. Hold on. So then, when I decided to come in, with the what is that? The perk, but it sounded like a snare. You know what I'm saying? Now time for the 808. Yes, sir. Let us know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying?
It's hard.
You know what I'm saying?
It's hard, bro. That shit is hard, bro. Hit the straight bangers, nigga.
Nigga, straight bangers.
That shit hard.
You know what I'm saying?
I got like orange, you know what I'm saying? This is the...
Hold on. Let me see real fast. Before you start tweaking, because that is definitely not the melody.
Shit on me. Okay, that was the hi-hat.
There you go. Now you can take them out. You get. Take them out.
Alright, we started, bro.
You can talk, bro. I'm just gonna cut it from the beginning.
Why?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You know the vibes, bro. Alright, so this was the regular, you know what I'm saying? This was the melody.
Oh, you got this jump.
Just some chill, you know what I'm saying? Some vibe and shit, bro. You know the vibes, you know what I'm saying? Now we gonna start, you know what I'm saying? Bringing some songs, you know what I'm saying?
No, it's not. No. You get that D there, though. You get that D there.
At the moment.
I'm saying.
Wait till we
10 minutes, bro.
We're gonna get.
I haven't been doing this shit that long, bro.
I
haven't been doing this shit that long, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
Let us know though. It's doing good, bro. For like
bro.
2 months in.
Niggas just jazzing my head, bro.
I'm not gonna be.
But the thing is, like, you just fucking around with the placements and stuff. And you really, like, you haven't, like, done it like a solo jump. Like a full solo jump. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Just look at your progress. Just wait on it. It's coming soon.
Go ahead, go.
Come a long way. Coming too far. We coming through with the bangers, you know what I'm saying?
Alright. So, I get this loop from Splice. Some chill shit, you know what I mean? And yeah, I didn't really put like any effects right quick. Oh yeah, I did, but we're not gonna go into that deep. But should I put the alright hi-hats and then claps? You know, some bouncy shit, cause I like that, you know. Then added this. Oh, I added this first. The loop. The perk loop.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And then yeah, everything's this one. Everything sounds like this. I mean, I'm just chopping this shit, bro. Can't talk right now. I don't know. Some chill shit.
Chill.
Know what I'm saying? Some simple shit.
As you can see, he's cheating. Adding stuff to it.
Yo, I just needed that reverb in the background, bruh. But yeah. I don't really know, bro.
Hey,
I don't really
say,
know.
man.
Not rapping.
Huh? Alright. Part 2 is gonna be him rapping in this beat, bro.
Yo, we're all
This is gonna
rapping,
be too long, bro. This video's gonna be so
I'm
long.
saying, yeah, it's gonna be 2 videos.
Alright, 2 videos.
Bro,
I'm looking for to lay down my beat
we're all
first.
going.
Yeah,
I'm
go
trying to
ahead.
put that in my